Hey guys, welcome to eComHardy.com. This is Hardik Patel. This is the part 3 of how to make a WordPress website, and in this part I will gonna explain how to download the required plugins and theme to start developing your nice e-commerce based website. So here on the WordPress panel, if you are watching this video and if you already followed the steps I mentioned into the part 1 and 2, then congratulations, you are at the level when you can start doing the magic work. You can start developing your website and giving a nice look to your website. So I would highly suggest you to go back to ecomhardy.com/make-a-website, and here are all the steps. So first step was finding the right domain, getting the hosting and domain, installing WordPress to your site, and now this step. So this is the step number 4 on eComHardy page, where you can download the theme I highly suggest you, which is TopStore Pro theme. By the way, TopStore is a free theme available on WordPress theme platform where you can download, but I would highly suggest you to go with TopStore Pro theme, which will allow you to access a lot of advanced features which you will require at least in the future. So why not to start now? You can always check by clicking onto this banner. How does the theme look like? So here is the TopStore theme. You can go to the live demo and all these templates available under the Pro version. So let me go back to my eComHardy page. Here under the step number 4, I have given the button to download for free. So you can download the version I have available for free to access, and you can start developing the website. And in the future, if you are planning to purchase, or even if now if you're planning to purchase and avoid the headache to purchase later, go and click either on this button or go to the banner, and it will allow you to use the coupon code I have mentioned here. By the way, this is the current coupon code. It may change in the future. By the time you are watching this video, it might be a little bit different, might be 20% off, 10% off, or even 50% off, who knows. So always come back to this page and check out the coupon code, and make sure you click this banner, so it will allow you to use this coupon code. Now let's get started. Here I have on the admin panel, if I want to install the theme, I just need the theme, so I will go to download for free for now, and then here I have created one subscription sign up form. You just need to subscribe to my newsletter, like Hardik Patel, hardik@ecomhardy.com, agree, and then subscribe. So here it will allow you to download the current version or whatever version I have available. Simply click here to download the Pro theme. It will start downloading the zip file. Once the zip is downloaded, you can upload that theme to your website. This version might be outdated or might be slightly older than the current version, so I would highly suggest you to buy the theme and support the developer, so same time you can access to the latest version of the theme. So let's get started. Here, go to the appearance. Under appearance, go to themes, and then I will just go to add new, upload theme, and then choose file. Under downloads, TopStore Pro theme, and then install now. So you can see the theme installed successfully now. So simply activate. Once you activate, you can see here, go to Pro options. Under the Pro options, you can see the required plugins. So it will suggest you to install few of these plugins in order to access all the features of the theme. So all-in-one Woo cart, install, lead form builder, install, WP pop-up builder, install, the advanced product search, install, the product compare, install, variation swatches, install, and theme mega menu, install. As you can see, you are at the version number 1.3.7, and I'm waiting for this to be done. Okay, all the plugins suggested are installed and activated. Now go to Welcome tab again, and here this option says Import Demo. So simply click onto that, and you can see there are beautiful templates properly made under the Pro theme. So you are allowed to use any of these templates easily. So if you're planning to create the electronic store, then you can use this template. For artwork store, this one. For gift store, this one, or any of the one you like to go with. So for my need, even though it's art store template, I will like to go with this template because it's beautiful and might be same match to what I'm looking for. So I will go with this one. You can always preview, just going to the preview and have a look at the template. You can always check the product page and everything. So this is the product page. By the way, these sidebars you always can remove it easily, so don't worry about this one. If you're planning to take it out and make it more wider, you can do a lot of things. So I will gonna import this template to my site. So simply OK, and it will import all the information, photos, details, everything to my site. All these details are for demo purpose only. It might take few minutes, so stay tuned. You can always check the theme in different formats like mobile view, tablet view, and the desktop view. You can see the website demo is now imported. So done, visit website, and the website, the first look would be like that after installing the TopStore Pro theme. It is kind of catchy and looking very nice. Here you can replace to your logo and all the menu options, call now button, all these slider pictures, and here would be your products. So customizing this theme is so easy. Simply close here and either under the appearance, go to customize. So click on to the customize and it will take you to the customize page. Here you can access all these options. WordPress default. Here you can change your logo, make it bigger or smaller, change the site title like Cheeky Mickey, okay, and top clothing store, simply something like that. You can also change the site icon here. Make sure you set all the icons and logos yourself. I have created one logo using Windows Paint 3D tool. Let me change the logo. So this is the logo I have created using Paint 3D. Simply skip cropping and here you go. Now you can adjust the size of this logo, so like Cheeky Mickey, maybe something like that. For other reason, I also created the horizontal logo, so I can use that one too. And then you can make it slightly bigger, something like that, and done. So once your logo is imported, you can go back, make sure you keep publishing, and it will save all the changes. So go to all the other options, give yourself some time checking all the options and design all these things by yourself. If you want to change the banner, you simply click here and it will give you the options to replace the images. You can also choose any of these slider layouts you want. Okay, so there are three slider layouts on the side, one slider layout. You can choose any of these slider layouts, replace the images, go back, check, up and down, like go and move the positions, or even go back and change the fonts, title fonts, or base typography, and everything you can do. There is a lot of flexibility with this TopStore Pro theme, so it will not disappoint you so far, because I'm personally using in one of my websites and I'm so happy with this one, so I have suggested to you. It is very self-explanatory. This whole menu system is very simple and self-explanatory. Simply go and explore these options and make changes accordingly. Single product page, you can change everything like sell batch and everything. So it will take about 2 to 3 hours to make everything pleasant looking and the way you want. So take your time. Now once you go back to the admin panel, here, as I explained before, you can add the products. Let me add one of the products and show you how to add the products. You will require the title, description, all these details and the pictures. So let me check. I have the details ready. Maybe go to desktop, product content. I'll add this product. So I'll go with the title, set, copy, and then paste here, description. Make some minor adjustments like this one, and also like you can create the header, heading. You can select heading 2 and it will make the fonts bigger. Everything looks fine. Scroll down. Here you can either create simple product or variable products or group products. I will either go with simple or variable products if there are a few different type of products. So here in this case, maybe the variable products option, inventory, maybe if you have any SKU ready, like whatever number you are going with in your inventory, just stock keeping unit, just simply write that. If you don't have, then leave it blank. Manage stock, how many you have in stock, like I have 10 in stock. Allow back orders, no. Low stock threshold, maybe I'll keep like 2, or if my store is set with 2, then I will keep it as it is. Otherwise, whatever number you are going with. Shipping, you don't require this information for now unless you are planning to charge. I have created the separate video on how to create these shipping classes, so feel free to check out that video. Link product, if you have any upsell products in future, like the upsell products or cross-sell products will pop up on the side of that product page, so it will give a second thought to the customer in case if they want to add one of the upsells or if they want to jump to the other product. Attributes, you can create the attributes if you haven't yet, so simply add here. Maybe I'll go with color, white, red, yellow, and save. Now you can select this option like use for variation, so it will allow to create the variation from these attributes. I'll go to variation here and click on to the create variation from all attributes and go, and it will add the variations here. So on this particular variation you can either assign particular photos, so I can import all the various images and then OK, and can choose the relevant color, although I don't have any colors ready, so I'm just selecting random color. For black I'm selecting this one, and price maybe 20 bucks, so on. White color, maybe white color, price $21, and so on. Okay, once you do that, here on the product image, simply create and assign the main image. So if I go and main image, maybe I assign one particular image as a main image, and gallery images are like something like all these, something like this. And once everything is done, you can also assign the categories. You can create new categories like baby cloth, and then add new category. Also you can assign the tags or something like that, and then publish. Let's see how the product looks like. Simply right click and open this link, and the product looks like this. So as you see, I haven't created the number of quantity available for this particular variation, so it shows out of stock. Black and white is available, so if I click black, it says add to cart, although we're gonna design all these buttons and everything later. And then you can see the cart page here. You can also go to the cart, and because I haven't set up the cart yet, it won't allow you to see. So here is the products thing. Now the next video is all about what are the settings you have to go with once you set up the theme, and what are the plugins you have to download on your WordPress website in order to use advanced features, in order to accept payments, in order to allow customers to contact you, and all these things. So stay tuned, watch out my next video. Hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Stay tuned and watch my all these parts on how to make a website with WordPress. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.